So what we can do is we can draw the height of the triangle, and then we just have to find AB and whatever this height is, right? So finding AB is really simple because we have 4 of these equal side lengths. These are all equal to each other because they're just heights. And we have this equilateral triangle here. This whole thing's an equilateral triangle. And this length here is the height of this equilateral triangle, and so we can easily find that, right? Because the side length of one of our the equilateral triangle is root 3, and so we just want to find the height. The area of the equilateral triangle is s squared root 3 over 4, which equals 3 root 3 over 4. And this is equal to root 3 h over 2. And so h is equal to 3 root 3 over root 3 times 2 over root 3 times 4 times 2, which equals 3 halves, right? So that's the length of one of these, right? And there are 4 of them, so the length of the base is just going to be 3 halves times 4. And 3 halves times 4 equals 6. So this is the length of our base. Okay, and now to find the height, what I did is I extended out this triangle here, and we have this huge right triangle. And this is our height of this triangle ABC. And so we just need to use Pythagorean theorem, right? So let's see. We know from arc heights, right? Because these are the 2 triangles in this kite right here, that this is 1. This thing is 1. And then we also know that from our height of the equilateral triangle, since this is a rectangle, that length just gets translated up here. So we have 1 and 3 halves. So 1 plus 3 halves, this is 5 halves for this leg of the triangle. And then instead of directly finding h, we can find AC, right? To find AC, notice this equilateral triangle here. Let me remove some of what I wrote. So to find AC, right? Notice this right triangle. We have this leg right here is 2 root 3 because we have our triangles here and our triangles here, and both of these lengths are root 3. So that would be 2 root 3. And then this leg is simply going to be 1, right? So we have 2 root 3 and 1. And so the length of AC squared, is equal to 2 root 3 squared plus 1, which equals 13. So AC equals root 13. And now we can use that to find h, right? So we have 5 halves squared plus h squared equals 13. And so h squared is equal to 13 minus 25 over 4, which equals 27 over 4. And so h is equal to 3 root 3 over 2. And so now what we do is just the simple formula base times height over 2, which is equal to 9 root 3 over 2. And that is B. So B is our answer.